Good morning. She barely slept last night. This one or this one? Look what I found. This was my favorite show growing up. Look how cute. Let's get her some breakfast. I started using bone broth. I know. Parasite drops. Say bye.